Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to customize receipts on your Shopify store so they match your brand and create a better experience for your customers. First, log into your Shopify account and head to your store's homepage. This is where you manage everything related to your store. Next, click on Settings at the bottom left of the dashboard. From there, choose Notifications. This is where you control all the messages your customers receive. Click on Customer Notifications, find Order Confirmation. This is the main receipt customers get after placing an order. Click Edit Code to open the template editor. Here you can change the wording, format, and layout to match your brand's style. Add your tone of voice, special messages, or extra info your customers might need. When you're done, preview your changes and click Save to apply them. And that's it. You've successfully customized your order receipts, giving your customers a more personal and professional experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.